What's going on, guys? I have a quick little video here for you today. A buddy of mine recently moved to another house and put together a really sleek looking setup, which I thought should be showed off. So we're gonna go through that, and as always, links will be listed in the video description. And without further ado, let's begin going through his setup. So the base of this setup is, of course, why wouldn't it be, an IKEA table in black, accompanied with an LED, a USB powered strip that's multicolored. And in case you're curious, the desk lamp is the Desk Task from Pillow Fort. In terms of his chair, he didn't really specify, but he did say it's an off-brand DX Racer style chair, which is really comfortable. It looks great. I think it go great in my black and white setup going on here. And yeah, of course, I will leave more info around here, and if not, a link in the video description. Upon the tabletop, you can find his $600 APU-centric gaming PC, which he uses to play League of Legends, and his other devices and peripherals. And by the way, I made a video on that rig, that PC build, a couple months ago. So if you're curious about the benchmarks and specifications, I encourage you to watch that. Beginning with input, he is rocking and I'm not even going to pretend like I memorized this name, it's the Hyperx FPS Pro 10 keyless keyboard with Cherry MX switches. So not the best for typing, but still, from what I experienced, you can still type fairly quickly, and it's just a really enjoyable keyboard to use. In terms of a mouse, he's using the Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum 80, which, by the way, is a million times better than the little white wireless plastic mouse that I'm using. Great for gaming, really tactile and very comfortable in the hand. His monitor of choice is a 24-inch MSI curved gaming panel. It's FreeSync, Full HD, and it's clocked at 144 Hertz, but he's running it at 120 Hertz. For some reason, maybe it has to do with the APU, I don't know, but what I can tell you is the monitor is great for gaming and just the Windows user experience in general. In terms of audio, he makes use of a Blue Snowball desktop microphone, which is great for, some voiceover work and just general microphone usage. He also rocks a pair of Audio-Technica ATH-8700Xs, which are a great, affordable pair of open back headphones. He also has an Amazon Alexa first generation, which he primarily uses to listen to music via Spotify. His second gaming device of choice is the Nintendo Switch, which he has hooked up to his MSI monitor. And before I forget to mention, he does make use of Amazon Basic speakers, which for their price don't look or sound half bad. Beyond his main setup, my friend has a dope little pop figurine collection, which he claims grows in value by the day. Some cool Star Wars art on top of those figurines, and a couple of broken Game Boys, which he plans on refurbishing and reselling. So that's a possible video idea in the future. In total, his main desk setup comes to around $1,600 US, but considering all the high quality and high tech crammed into it, in my opinion, I find it very substantial and somewhat economical. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this desk setup video. Thank you, Patrick, for letting me come to your house and shoot that B-roll until like 1 a.m. That was fun. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And I would also appreciate it if you leave a like in the video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.